Hi friends, welcome to my show. I'm Manisha Bharani and today I'm going to teach you flavored corn. This recipe is super easy and delicious and it is very mouth-watering and its creamy flavor is completely mesmerizing. So let's start. For flavored corn mixture, I'm taking 1 cup boiled corn. In that I'm adding 2 tablespoon pizza sauce, 2 tablespoon arborita sauce, 2 tablespoon mayonnaise. Now cook this for 2 minutes. I am adding a pinch salt to it. After mix all the ingredients, switch off the gas and cool down this mixture completely. I am taking here round curry or a puff pastry. I have made hole in the center and now I am filling this mixture in that. After filling all the mixtures in curry, now sprinkle some cheese on the top. Friends, trust me, this recipe is so amazing and delicious. I'm sprinkling some chili flakes. This is optional if you like, or you can avoid also. And some oregano, coriander. Flavored corn is ready to serve.